Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false forward collision alerts that may occur while parking and outlines commonly documented reasons why forward collision warnings can trigger unexpectedly at low speeds or during close-range maneuvers. This behavior has been observed across multiple Tesla models and can vary by model year software version and hardware configuration. Forward collision alerts are designed to warn the driver of a potential impact with objects or vehicles ahead. While parking or maneuvering in tight spaces, these alerts may activate even when no real collision risk is present. In such cases, the vehicle may display visual warnings or sound audible alerts during normal parking movements. Verified information indicates that camera-based perception limitations at very low speeds or close distances can contribute to this behavior. Objects such as walls, poles, curbs, parked vehicles, reflective surfaces, or uneven ground can be interpreted as potential obstacles depending on angle, lighting, and proximity. Changes introduced through over-the-air software updates may also adjust sensitivity thresholds, which can affect how and when alerts are triggered during parking scenarios. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Other documented factors include temporary sensor confidence reduction caused by dirt, moisture, glare, shadows, or low light conditions. In some vehicles, forward collision style alerts may still operate within specific low speed ranges, even though the system is primarily optimized for driving scenarios rather than parking. As a possibility, incomplete calibration after updates or repairs could also influence alert behavior, though this is not confirmed for every case. General guidance includes ensuring cameras and sensors are clean, allowing time after software updates for calibration, and understanding that alerts may occur more frequently in tight parking environments. If alerts become excessive or disruptive, a diagnostic review through Tesla service may be required. Overall, false forward collision alerts while parking can vary widely depending on vehicle configuration, software behavior, and environmental conditions. The issue does not indicate the same cause for every vehicle and may differ between model years and generations. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.